You're a picture in a frame.
Hey YouTube family, how are you all doing? Do hope you all are doing great. So welcome my old and new subscribers. You guys are amazing. I really love you guys. Thank you so much for being with me. May God richly bless you. Oh, thank you for coming back to my video today. So today guys, I'll be unboxing my ring light, guys. Yay! I'll be unboxing my ring light with you all. So this is the ring light. I've not opened it, but my daughter tried to open here, but nevertheless we are still going to open it together. So this is it, and this is the, I guess this is the ring light, and this is the So guys, let's jump right into the video and let's open it together. I'll be showing you where I got the ring light from. I'll be telling you where I got the ring light from, and how long it took to get to Paris, because I live in Paris, guys. So let's get right into the video. So I'll be taking my scissors like this.
Somebody real is waiting out there for me. Why am I looking at
But the way I'm looking at this ring light, it seems it's too small. I don't know. I'm saying it's a bit small compared to some I've seen on YouTube.
I'm gonna stop looking at you. Why am I looking at
My daughter is close to me. I'm trying to.
picture in
Okay.
make believe you're next to me, but I know it's not the same. Why am I looking at you? You're a pixel on a screen. The animating principle is nowhere to be seen. Why am I lost in a loveless fantasy?
To me, I think it's small.
Real is waiting.
But in the where I was buying it,
Why am I looking at
it's a bit bigger.
you? I've enjoyed the years
I'm
I've
surprised.
wasted, but the time has come to face the fact
Oh,
none of what I see is true. So I'm gonna stop looking at you. Oh,
small.
I'm gonna stop looking
Well, anyway, what to do? If
Why am
it's
I
small, guys, it's small. Anyway,
You're a picture in a frame.
but in the video that I saw on the website is big.
Next to me, but I'm
It's getting it. Look, guys, it's small.
Why am I
My face can even part my
You're a pixel
small.
on a screen.
Well, I hope it does it. I hope it does the job that I want it to
Nowhere to be seen.
do. Okay.
Why am I lost in a loveless fantasy when somebody real is waiting out there for me? Why am I looking at you? Enjoyed the years I've wasted, but the time has come to face the fact that what I see is true. So I'm gonna stop looking at you.
I think I have to put this camera on the floor.
Why am I looking at you?
This is it.
You're a picture in a frame. I make believe you're next to me, but I know it's not the same. Why am I looking at you? You're a pixel on a screen. Your animating principle is nowhere to be seen. Why am I lost in a loveless fantasy when somebody real is waiting out there for me? Why am I looking at you? I've enjoyed the years I've wasted, but the time has come to face the fact none of what I see is true. So I'm gonna stop stop looking at you. I'm gonna stop looking at you.
Think this one has to be here.
Why am I looking at you? You're a picture in a frame. I make believe you're next to me, but I know it's not the same. Why am I looking at you? You're a pixel on a screen. The animating principle is nowhere to be seen. Why am I lost
Shift
in
the
a
camera
loveless
up
fantasy?
so that you guys can see
Somebody
what
real is
I'm doing.
waiting out there for me.
Let me reduce it.
Why am I looking at you?
With force.
I've enjoyed the years I've wasted, but the time has come to face the fact that none of what I see is true. So I'm gonna stop looking at you. Oh, I'm gonna stop looking at you.
Take this, I put it inside, but I have to put the stick.
You're a picture in a frame. I make believe you're next to me, but I know it's not the same. Why am I looking at you? You're a pixel on a screen. Animating principle
I
is
don't want the video
nowhere
to be
to
too
be
long,
seen.
so I got this
Why am I lost in a
my ring
loveless
light from
fantasy?
AliExpress, guys. Yes, AliExpress, and it's very affordable.
Why am
Oh,
I
I make mistake, okay? Can be gone as
I've
well.
enjoyed the years I've wasted, but the time has come to face the fact that none of what I see is true. So I'm gonna stop looking at you.
Oh my god.
Oh, I'm gonna stop looking at you. Oh, why am I looking at you?
Ooh, it's very long,
You're a
man.
picture in a frame.
So I am done with my ring lights. I love the ring light so much. It's beautiful, it's nice, but it's just that I'm disappointed with the lights. In the video I saw and on their website, the ring light was a bit bigger than this, but when it came, it's so small. And I got this for 26 euro, let's say 27 euro, yeah, 26 euro something, yeah. And it took 3 weeks. That's a bit long. It took 3 weeks to come. It's a bit long. I said, oh, since I saw in AliExpress and it's a bit affordable, so why not just get this? I pray it does the job I want it to do. So I'll be plugging it right now. Let's see how it works. Okay, guys. Alright, 1 minute. I have to pause the video. Let me plug it and see how it works. So I have to plug mine on.
You're a pixel on a screen. Animating principle is nowhere to be seen. Why am I lost in a loveless fantasy when somebody real is waiting out there for me?
Let me see how it works.
Why am I looking at you? I've enjoyed the years I've wasted, but the time has come to face the fact that what I see is true. So I'm gonna stop looking at you. Oh, I'm gonna stop looking at you. Oh,
I'm Dennis. If you want to record it. Oh, okay, it's here. Straight it if you want. So guys, that's all for my video. Thank you all for watching. Oh, I like it, but the lamp is too small. which is bigger. Well, maybe I'll look for a bigger one. Thank you all. See you in my next video.
Waiting out there for me. Why am I